Hey guys, Matt Moore over at Easy Dent, and today I'm at our Athens location and we've got something really special in the shop today. We've got a 2021 Ford Bronco, and everybody's been talking about this car for the last 5 years it seems like, and didn't ever know if they were actually going to hit the market. Well, they are actually on the ground now. If you pre-ordered one, you probably know it's not here yet, but this client was really lucky. They got theirs early on and then they wanted to bring it to us and have a couple things done to it. So I've got with me a shop manager of our Athens shop, Ethan Taylor. We're going to be talking about what we love about these Broncos and also what we're doing to this specific one to protect it, to make it look incredible. So what, Ethan, take it away. What do we do to this one?
Yeah, so this client actually is going to use this for his purpose of going off-road. So, so first we started out with doing what's called a paint protection film. So we actually applied the film on the bottom of the rocker panels and the bottom of the doors to protect against from rock chips. Because these tires are pretty aggressive, so they'll throw rocks and they'll throw debris, and so we want to protect that paint with that. And also, he wanted to keep it looking clean. He wanted to make this thing, look for show as well. So, so we applied the ceramic coating on top of that to basically help it, give it that gloss, make it really easy to clean, makes it feel really slick. And then we also applied some ceramic window tint on the front two door glasses to help to protect from the heat coming in, give him a little bit more privacy. So yeah, I think he's really gonna like it.
Sounds like he's ready for the weekend for the protection, and then he can wash it really quickly and get it right back to work on Monday, and it looks incredible on Monday again. That's one of the coolest things about these, to me, is the kind of retro look that it has. Obviously, when you think of a Bronco, you think of the square body, you think of the round headlights. We all have dreamed about owning one our whole lives. These are incredible looking trucks. How many people did we have? We parked it out front for a day, and how many people did we have stop by?
8 people that stopped by.
Just to take a picture with it, because they were so excited about
like
seeing it.
A 4-hour period.
It was crazy. Yeah. So if you have any questions about paint protection film, about window tinting, about ceramic coating, bring it by. We'd be happy to talk to you. If you have any questions about your Bronco, if you've got one pre-ordered and you're thinking about getting some things done to it, we can talk over those packages too. Again, just like when you're buying this, we can really customize exactly what you want. This client didn't just get out of box. They got PPF that was custom made. We just did the bottoms of the doors. We just did the fenders. We did some of the B pillars or the A pillars. So again, we can customize exactly what you want to fit your exact budget, your exact needs, and so that you keep your car looking as new as possible for as long as possible. So if you have any questions, swing by. Thanks for watching, guys. Have an awesome day.